we wanted to talk about something that really made us laugh this weekend, and it has got a happy ending. It's the story of Chanel the parrot.
Yes, you might have seen this already, but if not, Chanel is a parrot who lives with her owner in Liverpool, but has a blatant disregard for the stay-at-home rules.
Chanel's owner, Sandra, is on the line now. Sandra, it's lovely to say... There you are.
Hi, Sandra!
So we'll give her her full name. She's Chanel Chanellington. And so how did she get out?
Oh, my God. A water bill was open and no one seen it. And the neighbour started drilling and she just bolted. And I thought, what do you do? Social media, and if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have got her back.
Where is she now? Where is Chanel now?
She's here, obviously. Come here, say hello.
There you are, Chanel. You were the one causing all the problems. So, obviously, we could see the panic in your voice there when you thought you'd lost Chanel and Chanel was gone for good. So, this message that you put out there on social media, then what happened? Did people start getting in contact with you?
Oh, I was getting silly ones, like saying, it's a budgie. I found your paddy. And then all night, I had no sleep. People were searching on the canal, dead Barry, thank you so much, shouting over the canal, want a tickle, trying to get her. And Jenny Morgan, she was on with the kids. Everyone ran on the canal and was looking. It was amazing.
So how was she caught then?
She was knocking on someone's window saying, hello, hello, hello.
Oh, my gosh. And then that person had seen your message on social media, got in contact with you, and you were able to get her home, which is a miracle. What also is brilliant, as these things happen, you put them on social media and people start liking them and sharing them, and you went viral.
I know. My son come up to me Thursday night, running up the stairs, 1 o'clock in the morning, Mom! All my mates are messaging me. You've gone famous. I was like, oh, behave, will ya? And then the whole lot of us were in stitches till like 4 o'clock in the morning watching them all.
Well, we've got a couple here, and so this is you to Robin S. Show Me Love. So let's have a look at you,
That's
and
my
then we'll see what Jade did.
Oh, it's gone. She's an African grey and named Chanel. Chanel.
And here's one. Here's Jade Thirlwell's done one. Here you go. Here's this one.
Oh, it's gone. She's an African grey and named Chanel. Chanel.
Why is she called Chanel?
Because my dog's Coco.
Oh, my God, that's amazing.
Well, we're so glad it's got a happy ending. Sandra, you are amazing, and thank you very much indeed for talking to us.
Oh, my God, I love you.
Oh,
love
we love
you too.
you.
Thank
we love
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much.
Oh, man, right.